Olá! My name is Fátima from Design for Change of Portugal. I want to thank all artists of change to build the project Are We Equal and to share with the world. I also want to thank to Santa Teresa de Jesus School of Tarragona for this beautiful story of change. This theme is very important, and you children knew how to feel the problem and to take care of it in a very special way. I love your attitude of empathy, to put yourself in the other's shoes and understand what they feel. And finally, you share your message with a beautiful song. You are right. Music is the best way to bring your voice louder and involve the others. You are beautiful, you have a big heart, and you are so creative. Take these superpowers and keep changing the world to a better place with Design for Change. Thank you.